Hi everyone, I'm Susan Morales, your homeroom teacher for this school year. I'm so excited that you decided to join us at K-12 Private Academy. It is a wonderful school. You will have so much support and we hope that you enjoy it as much as we love working here. I created this video just to give you a little bit of background information on me and give you some information on the best ways to reach me. So about me, one of the wonderful things about K-12 Private Academy is that we have families all over the world, everywhere. So with that in mind, I always like to let you guys know where I live. I live in Monterey, California, so I'm on Pacific Standard Time. So depending on where you are, you might have to do a little bit of math on when to reach me. With that being said, we are military, so we actually move every few years. We've been in Monterey about a year now. And then actually this December, January timeframe, we will be moving over to the east side and going to Maryland, military life. All right. So this is actually my third year with K-12 Private Academy, my 9th year with K-12, and my 12th year teaching. Before K-12, I actually taught in the public school. I was a second grade teacher for 3 years. Before I came to the private academy, I actually worked with the public side of K-12. I was actually born in Miami, Florida. Like I said, we live in Monterey, California now, but since we're military, we've lived in many places. Before this, we were in Pennsylvania and then San Diego, California, and then we were in Virginia and obviously Florida. And then next on the list will be Maryland. My husband's name is Edward. I have 2 children. Eddie is 10 and he will be going into 5th grade. Olivia's 6 and she will be going into 1st grade this school year. They actually start on the same day you guys start. I attended Thomas Edison State College out of New Jersey for my bachelor's degree, but for my master's degree, since I teach online, I felt like doing my master's online made sense. So I did my master's with Western Governors University and I have a master's in learning and technology. I thought that was great for our jobs here. I love to spend time at the beach. I love to read. I'm always with my Kindle everywhere we go. I have my Kindle with me, and we love traveling and exploring new places. That is the best thing we love to do. So here are some images of my family, just so you can kind of see what everybody looks like. This was actually when we first got to Monterey, this picture right here. It was probably like the first day we arrived and had to go straight to the beach. Love it there. It's just a little cold here. And then here's Eddie and Olivia on a Disney cruise that we took about 2 years ago, obviously before COVID. And then all of these are before COVID because here's our family in all of our different travels. We've been to New York City we would like to go to from Philadelphia. This was swimming with dolphins. Olivia did not love that. You can kind of see that in her face. My kids love boogie boarding. We went snow tubing in Pennsylvania. And then I really like books. I've made my kids really enjoy reading books. And Eddie became a Harry Potter nerd like me. And we had a Harry Potter birthday. So they're wearing Harry Potter glasses. And if you kind of look closely, you can kind of see his Harry Potter scar on his head. And then, like I said, we are military. So this is just a picture of us at the last military ball that we were able to attend, which was a couple of years ago as well. So now, best ways to contact me. There's several different ways. You can email me. Easiest way is more than likely just to reply to any email I sent you. So my actual K-12 email is smorales@strideprivateacademy.org. My cell phone is 717-964-0859. You can call me, you can text me, whatever works for you. Like I said, I'm on Pacific Standard Time, but I have do not disturb during certain hours, so don't worry about the time too much. It'll just go to my voicemail. Leave me a message, and please let me know your name and your student's name in your message so I can return that call to you as soon as possible. And then we use Skype a lot at iAcademy. It is wonderful. It is just a quick way for you to reach out to me. All you need to do is, I actually sent it in the link in an email to you, which is a way easier way to find me than using my Skype name. So use that email that I sent with the link to find me on Skype. That way you can just contact me. If you download Skype, it is great. Kids can call me, and they do, which is wonderful. If they just want to say hi or chat or ask me a question, that's totally fine. But these are the main points of contact for me. Probably call or text is quickest. If not, then email or Skype. But yeah, if you guys need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I will be your first point of contact this school year. I will be the one to answer your questions, and if I don't know the answer, I will figure out a way to get you that answer as soon as possible. But make sure you reach out to me first. I just want to thank you guys for choosing K-12 Private Academy, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'm so excited to get to know each and every one of you. Bye.